Top 5 Luxury Night Creams for Beauty. 100% result-oriented. Want skin that actually changes overnight? Not just hydrated, firmer, brighter, visible reduction of fine lines? Tonight we reveal the top 5 luxury night creams the beauty world swears work, backed by brand science and glowing customer results. I tried them, plus I dug into clinical claims and real user reviews, so you'll know which one to pick for your skin. I'll walk you through each cream's origin, the company behind it, the founder story, what customers say, and where to buy it officially. I'll also give you pro tips, how to layer these creams, who benefits most, and how to get the fastest visible results. Number 5 has a honey-powered formula from a famous French house. Number 4 is a botanical heavyweight from Paris. Number 3 is the iconic sea-powered cream People Q4. Number 2 takes caviar to a new level of lift. And our number 1? A science-first cream with patented cellular renewal tech that consistently tops clinical trials and celeb testimonials. Trust building, credibility plus what? 100% result-oriented. Means, when I say result-oriented, I mean measurable changes, improved hydration, reduced fine lines, better skin texture, reported in clinical or user trials, and backed by multiple positive verified customer reviews on retailer pages. I'll cite sources for you in the description. If you want timestamps or product links, check the description. Let's jump in, starting with number 5. At number 5 brand, Guerlain, Abele Royal Honey Treatment Night Cream. Coming in at number 5 is Guerlain's Abele Royal Honey Treatment Night Cream. Guerlain is a historic French house founded in 1828, famous for fragrances and skincare. The Abele Royal line harnesses bee-sourced ingredients, specifically honey and royal jelly derivatives, to encourage skin repair and firmness. Origin Company, Guerlain, part of LVMH Group. Country, France. Founder, Pierre-François Pascal Guerlain, founded 1828. Claims and customer reviews. Guerlain markets the night cream as a repair and renewal formula that firms skin and smooths fine lines, with a balm-like texture that melts in. On retailer pages like Sephora, customers report softer, smoother, and firmer skin over weeks. Average verified ratings are generally positive but vary by skin type, with many loving the texture and scent. This is for mature, dry, or normal skin types that enjoy a rich, comforting cream with a natural fragrance. Use as the last step at night on cleansed skin. Press gently into the face and neck. Official site, Guerlain.com. At number 4. Sisley Paris. Sisley/Sisley Men Lines. Number 4 is Sisley Paris, a French family-run luxury brand famous for high-performance, plant-based formulas. Sisley's premium day creams, their anti-age and men-targeted formulas like Sisleya or their men care range, often have rich emollients plus botanical extracts that protect and comfort winter skin. Benefits for winter. These creams are built to strengthen the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and reduce irritation from cold winds. They're especially good if your skin is sensitive or you get winter redness. Best for/how to use. Best for sensitive, dry, or mature men who want luxurious textures and botanical actives. Apply a pea-sized amount to the face and neck. Pat gently so the richer formula absorbs. Origin/founder/company/website. Sisley Paris is a French luxury skincare house, developed by the Diornano family. Hubert and Isabelle Diornano launched the company in the 1970s, and still family-run today. Official site is the place to shop and read full ingredient lists. Now we go Swiss, one of the most luxurious houses in skincare history, famed for caviar-inspired science. At number 3 brand, La Mer, the rejuvenating night cream/creme de la Mer family. La Mer is one of the most famous luxury skincare names, The brand built an almost cult following around its signature ingredient, the miracle broth. Origin Company. La Mer, originally founded by aerospace physicist Dr. Max Huber. Country: United States. La Mer founded in California. Founder: Dr. Max Huber developed the original formulation after experimenting for years to soothe his own skin. Show vintage founder photo if available. Product claims and customer reviews. La Mer's night and moisturizing creams promise intense hydration and skin smoothing, built around their miracle broth and newer marine retinol alternatives. Customer reviews on Sephora and the official site are famous. Many users report a visible glow, improved hydration, and a smoother skin feel, though some reviews mention formulation or scent differences between batches. How to use and who it suits. La Mer is ideal for dry, mature, or stressed skin that benefits from rich hydration. Apply as the final night step. Warm it between fingers and press into the skin for absorption. Where to buy official site: creamdelamer.com/lamer.eu. At number 2. Augustinus Bader, the cream. Number 2. Augustinus Bader, the cream. This one's famous for its science-first approach and is widely recommended for regenerating and long-lasting hydration. The cream is a science-driven daily moisturizer that balances hydration with cellular support. It's a medium to rich texture that absorbs to leave skin comfortable and protected. Benefits for winter. Why it's great for winter. It supports skin renewal and the barrier. Their patented TFCA complex guides nutrients to the skin. For men who experience dry, flaky patches in winter, it helps restore and maintain healthier skin over time. Best for/how to use. Best for normal, dry, or aging skin types. Apply a small amount to face and neck in the morning. It layers well under SPF if you plan to be outside. Augustinus Bader is a science-led brand founded by Professor Augustinus Bader, a biomedical scientist with a background in regenerative medicine, and launched in 2018. It's now a top luxury name for clinical, high-performance skin care. Finally, a number 1 brand. LAMER, the moisturizing soft cream, or La Mer, the moisturizing cream. Number 1. La Mer, the brand behind Miracle Broth. For winter, La Mer's moisturizing soft cream, or the moisturizing cream depending on preference, stands out as the top choice. La Mer's moisturizers are rich yet uniquely refined. The soft cream provides deep, supple hydration that soothes winter skin without feeling greasy. The formulas are famous for their fermented seed-based elixir, often referred to as miracle broth. Benefits for winter. Why number 1 in winter? La Mer excels at long-lasting moisture, barrier repair, and skin comfort in cold, dry conditions. It's particularly effective for men who need heavy day protection but still want a premium sensorial finish. Best for/how to use. Best for dry, combination, and sensitive men who want top-tier comfort. Use after serum and before sunscreen if going outside. A thin layer is often enough. You'll feel the hydration last through the day. La Mer's story goes back to Dr. Max Huber, an aerospace physicist who developed the original miracle broth, and the brand is now part of the Estée Lauder Company's family. Official La Mer pages provide details and purchase options. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more premium men's grooming content. Stay warm, stay confident, and stay hydrated inside and out. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.